We would like to start with an update on yesterday's election for you. Amy Reed has an update from election officials working to tally the results. Amy?
I spoke with the deputy clerk here in Madison, and he worked until 4:30 in the morning this morning. He said that the office still has a lot of work to do. They're looking ahead to a very busy week.
I don't have a timeline, and we'll be caught up. I mean, this election is unprecedented. There's nothing really to compare it to. I mean, I feel like we did as best we could under the circumstances that we had.
Madison was able to keep things moving yesterday with no major issues reported at the dozens of sites they kept up. But according to the clerk, turnout was still low compared to the last time the city weighed in on a presidential candidate. In April 2016, the city had about 66% turnout. Yesterday, it was around 50%. The number could change as more absentee ballots roll in, but still the deputy clerk is not holding his breath.
I'd be shocked if it went up even 5%.
He said there were some issues getting ballots out and having them returned with all necessary info, including people that submitted absentee ballots without a witness signature when it was briefly legal to do so.
And as of now, it sounds like those votes won't be counted, which is very unfortunate because those voters had complied with the rules as were valid at the time they submitted their ballot, and then it got changed on them, and unfortunately it sounds like their vote's going to be quite disenfranchised because of this.
State law doesn't leave any room to get those votes counted another way, but in a call with reporters today, the State Elections Commission administrator said they're still keeping track of the numbers.
Once all of the canvases have been complete and once they do the data entry, enter voter participation, we will know how many ballots were potentially impacted by some of those changes.
Voting aside, the State Department of Health Services secretary said that they're waiting to see if there is a bump in COVID-19 cases because of in-person voting yesterday. She said that if there is, that might play a factor into potentially extending the safer at home order.
Amy, thank you.